Hi, welcome to another $1 Masterclass tutorial with me, Clay. This is a very short tutorial, but it just goes with the first part of our blues series. So our very first two tutorials. The first one focusing on shapes, the second one focusing on theory. This is just like a little piece of bonus material, which is a blues turnaround. This little so it comes in the last two bars of our 12-bar blues. So instead of just going, we go from our normally we go from our G and we're back to the top again. So instead of just going round and round that, or whatever kind of blues we were doing, if we were doing like a more slow blues, so instead of there, I went to a G and then back to C. In the last two bars. Here we're going to do this. Okay, so that's our blues turnaround. So it would come in our last 4 bars of our 12-bar blues. We've got if we're in C, so we've got a G chord. Now we've got the last 2 bars before we go back round again. So I'm going to go to C1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then back to the top. So I hope that makes sense. So remember, the turnaround comes in the last 2 bars. Sometimes we also then throw in another chord 5 before we go back to the top of the blues. But we'll look at some of these other kind of figures that we can use in later videos. Have fun with it. It helps. Thanks for watching. Bye.